So welcome back to Follow Your Heart Homestead. Today is goat moving day. So right now Justin is mowing where we're gonna put them because our goats are crazy and don't eat anything. But I'm gonna get the goats and put them in the kids' play area. So we're gonna just stick you up and let you watch what we do. Have fun watching.
okay with her?
Yeah.
All right, don't push yourself. As you can see, we start right here, and Melissa is amazing with all of this. She's phenomenal with this. All right, so we're gonna have to tighten that up a little bit. Okay. But she usually goes around. She knows how to pretty much get it all together where it doesn't get all bound up and everything, so.
Honestly, if we just took this I think went back too far.
All right, so just pull it up this way a little bit. Okay, that's fine. We'll go around here. This is the Premier fencing. It works absolutely amazing. We have had a little bit of issues with the solar, but a lot of it's just a lot of the trees are blocking and stuff like that at times. But we'll go around here. We'll tie it in here, go around. There's our chicken tractor. Go around here, and then we'll go back down, and then eventually we'll move them over to this area within like the next month or so. And then it'll go over down to here.
Alright, so Justin's starting to move the heavier stuff with the tractor. That way we don't have to strain ourselves. We added in our toys for the goats. And I'll wait for the tractor to go by. And I roughly put up the fence posts. We'll go around and tighten it up so that it's tighter and looks nicer. We do have these posts that we use in between the fence because we like it to stand higher. It's just our preference. We did just roll over the goats' toys. They like these. We're going to have to get them a new trampoline because they destroyed it. But we put them up here and we let them go at the trees. Because this one's dead and we would prefer to move the juniper tree because it has stuff on it that I believe is hurting our fruit trees. Our hay is coming so that the goats have that up off the ground, and then Justin will take the bucket off and move their coop. All our stuff is designed to move and move quickly. We prefer to be able to move our animals around the yard. We believe in permaculture, and we do truly believe that by doing this, we have made our yard so much more healthier. The grass is growing better. Well, the weeds, we don't really have a lot of grass, we have a lot of weeds, but they're growing very well. Our worm content is crazy. And our soil is very dark, especially for around here. I think that's beautiful topsoil. And that's what we really truly believe in, is who keep building our topsoil. I do believe that's one of the biggest issues. But like Justin said, the goats will be here for a month. And then they will be moved to another spot. Their parasite cycle is 30 days. So during spring and winter, or during spring and fall and summer, we do try to move them every 30 days to new ground to cut the parasites down so that we don't have to deworm them. And as you can see, we even move our chickens. There's our chicken coop. That is mobile. Right now we only have 2 chickens in there because they're laying. The other 2 I have to grab out. And I have to put a rooster in there, but they weren't up for that the night that I did that, so 2 got moved. But they're eating fresh grass, putting some manure down to take care of everything on the soil and help us build more topsoil. That is our plan for our yard as long as we live here, is to build up the topsoil as much as possible. I'm trying to wait and wait some time for him to move so you can see him move in the coop. This is the hard part, is getting it on the tractor, because there is a winter's worth of bedding in there. So it's going to be a mess. If you can see on the coop, the black thing, that is a tent that we can pull down for the goats so that they have that to give them more shade. The juniper tree gives them shade. So they do have shade in this area. Apricot tree will bloom out and give them some shade too. Our apple tree does not. So, and they'll be right next to the garden. So they'll see us every day, and the kids every day playing, and they seem to really enjoy that. But right now they're having fun on their own, eating everything in the play area. And there goes our coop. Which nicely moves and we put into place so they have a safe, warm place to live. Justin designed the coop. It's his own design, his own put together. When we breed, we'll probably make a second one so they both have their own places. But while we're doing this, Justin will mow this area and it will grow back better than it has been. But the goats are enjoying their time. Bella! Marsha! Are you guys eating the wild blackberries? Are you cleaning up in there for me? Which is great for the kids to have a cleaner area. So that's what we're doing right now. You go help Justin hook up the posts. So now everything's in the coop and Justin's just going around tightening it up. We use these and we just put the fence on it. You guys are gonna bounce.
Get them at Lowe's for like $2 or something like that, I think they are. Alright, we have one extra of these.
Okay. So, but these seem to help keep the fence up and less with the goats going in it. This one's right near our rows of Sharon. So it's just gonna go a little bit backwards.
Works for me.
Pretty much how we have the fence going. We got one more to go there, and then we've literally just set up our whole goat coop pen, and they'll be in here for about a month. All right.